Good morning, students. Happy Tuesday. We're going to continue with Unit 6 on fractions today. Now, we're going to talk about comparing fractions. You might have unequal denominators, and we need to review cross multiplication. So I've asked some students to help us out with this. The first one is Cameron. Take a look at her problem.
Hi friends, I have a problem for you to solve. So my mom made a cake last night. I ate 4/12 of the cake. My sister ate 7/12 of the cake. Who ate more cake?
Okay, thank you, Cameron, for sending in that problem. Cameron said that she ate 4/12 of the cake. So we want to mark a C for Cameron. Her sister ate 7/12 of the cake. Now Cameron sent in a great problem to remind us that if we have like denominators, we can tell who ate the most by the numerator. So we can see that Cameron's sister definitely ate the most cake. Take a look at the next problem sent in by Whitley.
I spent 7/3 of an hour taking care of my animals. Later that day, I spent 2/5 of an hour playing basketball with my sister. How much time did I play outside?
Thank you, Whitley, for sending in that problem. Whitley spent 7/3 of an hour taking care of her animals and 2/5 of her time playing basketball with her sister. So we can tell by this top number that it is over one whole. So the first thing we want to do on this is to change this to a mixed number. 3 can go into 7 2 times, which is 6. Subtract, and you get 2 whole and 1/3. So 2 whole and 1/3 we know is definitely going to be bigger than 2/5 because there's no wholes. So Whitley definitely spent more time taking care of her animals than playing basketball with her sister. Now, I want you to take a look at Segan's problem.
I played video games for 2/5 of the day. Spencer played video games for 3/8 of the day. Who played longer?
Thank you, Segan, for sending in that problem about you and your brother playing the video games. So, Segan, we're going to put S-E because they both start with an S. Segan spent 2/5 of an entire day playing video games. Spencer spent 3/8 of the day. So we need to think back to our cross multiplication. We want to multiply 5 times 3 and we get 15. 2 times 8 is 16. This was a super close problem. So 2/5 is greater than 3/8. So definitely Segan spent more time playing video games. The last problem sent in today was by Carter. Take a look at his.
I talked to Segan for 5/6 of an hour. I talked to Jet for 7/2 of an hour. How much longer did I talk to Segan than Jet?
Thank you, Carter, for sending in that problem. That sounds exactly like those questions we had on our Unit 6 test. So Carter said that he talked to Segan for 5/6 of an hour. And he talked to Jet for 7/10 of an hour. So he wants to know, which did he talk to a greater amount of time? 6 times 7 is 42. 5 times 10 is 50. So he talked to Segan the most amount of time. So I'd like for you today to try to create a few word problems with your cross multiplication method. Hope you have fun with this. See you tomorrow.